What is impromptu speaking? In contrast to planned presentations, impromptu speeches often occur spontaneously, with little on-the-spot preparation available. There may be only enough time for the speaker to hear the question, ingest its meaning, and then begin to formulate a response. Impromptu speeches include, but are not limited to, responding to questions during a business meeting, answering behavioral questions during a job interview, responding to lecturers' questions during an oral examination or discussion, summarizing the advantages and disadvantages of a situation, presenting a startup pitch, responding to questions in some social situations. An extemporaneous speech is similar to an impromptu speech in that neither format is completely scripted. However, while both impromptu and extemporaneous speeches ditch the script, a key distinction sets them apart. Impromptu speeches are truly off the cuff and may be thrown at you with no prep time. Extemporaneous speeches, on the other hand, offer a brief window of opportunity, as a speaker might have a few minutes to jot down some notes or mentally assemble some thoughts based on existing knowledge. So let us once again refocus on impromptu speaking. Examples. A classic example of an impromptu speech situation could be answering a sudden question during an all-hands meeting, with a speaker required to provide a compelling, coherent message immediately without any preparation. Another example could involve a student being asked a subject area question by an instructor in a group classroom environment. In both cases, the speaker/presenter is required to respond to an inquiry without minimal on-the-spot preparation, without reference. In both cases, the speaker/presenter is required to respond to an inquiry with minimal on-the-spot preparation, without referencing notes or supporting materials. In both examples, a group of participant onlookers is present, and the situation may be ripe for an acute stress, fight or flight response. Here are a few more examples. The surprise Q&A. You're at a conference, eagerly listening to a keynote speaker. As the presentation ends, the moderator announces a surprise Q&A session. Suddenly, you're called upon to share your thoughts on the speaker's message. With no time to prepare, you must articulate a thoughtful and relevant response. The media ambush. You're a spokesperson for a company facing a PR crisis. A news reporter unexpectedly approaches you for a statement. With no time to consult your team or prepare a formal response, you must rely on your impromptu speaking skills to deliver a clear, concise, and reassuring message. And that's just a little bit from this book, The Impromptu Speaker's Toolkit.